Guys, welcome back to another video, and it is a Born Pretty PR day. So we have some fabulous new cat eyes from Born Pretty's Pro Terra range. So these are available on the Born Pretty store website. You do have to register and make an account. These, I'm just going to pop them in order. I've already taken off the outside bit. So you have your name. So these are glass cat magnetic. We have a little swatch on the front there, the swatch on the lid as well. So we are going to just do some swatching with these today. I'm just going to pop up some images of what we are looking at. So these are the new bottles in the bottom right hand corner there, and all your different colours. There's 18 colours of the glass cat magnetic gels. And then in the left hand corner there you have the bottom corner, sorry, you've got what they look like. So we will be showing you some of those numbers today, and then in the top there on the swatches as well. So I do have a code for Born Pretty, which is PLN10. So if you're wanting to, I'm not sure if the code works on the Born Pretty store, but if you're on the Born Pretty like main website, if you use my link, which is always in the description, and PLN10, it'll get you 10% off. There is other people out there with bigger codes, so feel free to use whichever ones get you the most money off. Now, so I've got 118, 121, 123, 125 and 126. Now I'm going to do, so this one is 118. Oh, it's just like a dreamy, look at that. Now these are always self-leveling, very smooth and very reactive. That is just stunning. So that is one. So this is 118. Now I have just put some primer on the nail. Just to, oh look at that. It's beautiful even without magnetization. That is like a dreamy latte coffee colour. Look at that. There's that first one. I'm going in, so that was 118. Cure that one. I don't need to fasten them up. This is 121. Oh, look at that. So 121. So we can see that's going to be a stunning purple. Oh wow, this is like a, it's going like a plum colour. Let's see what it looks like on the nail. Oh wow. And I mean, I'm using clear tips and the coverage is stunning. I mean, I would use that colour as is without doing anything to it. So you don't always have to magnetize your cat eyes neither. Look at that. That is a beautiful purple. So that is 121. Bring that one back. Pop that one in. Next we have 123. See what this one does. Oh, this is like a, I was going to say like a ruby red, but it's not. It's quite, it's like a darker red, but it is stunning. I can't think. It's not like a dusky rose. It's like, oh, I'm rubbish with names. That is 123. Looks beautiful. Yeah. And it's pretty close to the swatch on the bottle too. So I'll put that one in. Stunning. Now this one is 125 and I am absolutely looking forward to this. You can just see purples, turquoise in this one. I am so looking forward to this. Now let's see. Oh, Mermaid. Now my camera isn't doing it justice, but I've got purples, I've got greens, I've got blue hues. It is absolutely stunning. Oh wow. Trying to get it. It's got like a purple, but it's really not picking all that. You've got your purple, greens. Oh, let's have a look at it on the nail, should we? Oh, yes. That is, it's like, I've got a powder, like a chrome powder, chameleon chrome powder, and that is given off the same. So this one seems a little bit more translucent than the other ones. The other ones were quite opaque. This one you can still see, but look, purple. Oh, camera, come on. Is it doing it? Like, on my eye line, I've got green down the middle, I've got purple, and I've got blue. I mean, it looks like the bottle. I might give that one 2 coats just to show you, because it's. Oh, this one is 126, and it looks to be a black. So let's see what this one does. Oh, it's like a grey black, like a steel colour. It's more grey than black, actually. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Just like that. It's like titanium, you know, it reminds us of like a superhero outfit. So we'll put that one in the lamp and the other one comes out. Now these, we're going to see what happens when we magnetise. So this is 118. Let's see what this one does. Oh, keep hold of it, Andrea. So I'm putting the second layer of cat eye on. Oh, it's beautiful. Now, I'm going to bring it down this side. So it says the glass cat magnetic, so I'm assuming you get your darker colour underneath, and then you get it's like a reflective. It reminds us a bit of the water light ones that they do. But look at that. Now if I try and shush it up a little bit. Oh wow, look. And then go around the top. Try and do this one where you go around. See what if we can get it. Look at that. I love it. It's like got like a caramel undertone. Wow, beautiful. Right, I'm gonna get that one in the lamp, because as soon as you get your cat eye to where you want to freeze it, either use a stunning. So these are numbered rather than names like some of the Born Pretty cat eyes that we get now from the website. These, like I say, are on the Born Pretty store. Now let's see what we do with you. So it makes the dark purple nearly black underneath. Wow. You see how reactive that is. Look at that. Right, so I'm going to push this down. Oh, I love it. Absolutely. Look at that. Love it. Beautiful. Look at that. Stunning. Right, so that one is done. Oh, I'll take it off there. Next we have this one. Let's see what this one does. can already tell that these cat eyes are going to get some use because they are beautiful just painted on. So this one is 123. Wow, look at that. It does go like a glass effect underneath. All your particles come to the surface and leave that colour behind. Now I'm going to try and push. Look at that. Wow. Love it. I'm going to do that one like that. I'm trying to do a different effect on each one. What I'm calling chameleon, it's mermaid, it's sea vibes, it's just peacock. You could use it for 1,000,001 different nail designs. Oh, I really hope you can see what I can see. Let's have a look. So I'm livening up there. Wow. I might have to see if I can put another light on, like a flashlight for this one. Liven it up. It's just, oh. See the purple there, and then you've got your blue, and then it's green when you've got it down. It is just like, I'm gonna leave that one like that. It's absolutely beautiful. Then we've got 126, which is this stunning titanium steely colour, which is just, oh, haven't got a cat eye like what looks as good as this one. So let's see what this does. So it's gonna give you the black underneath and give you the silver coming through on the top of your cat eye. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Now, have I got? Yes, I have. It's gonna try and look at that. Wow. I'm gonna give that one another coat and then do the pattern the opposite way. Right, now we're gonna go through these. So that one is your 118, so it is exactly like the bottle. I've tried to do a bit of a circle on there, and that is without any top coat. That is just shining. That's your 118. Then we have 121, which leaves the dark purple underneath and the lighter purple in your reflection. Look at that. Stunning. Then we have 123, which just, look at that, is amazing. Beautiful colours. And then you've got the blue, which basically, if my camera isn't showing it, it is what exactly them colours that's on the bottle there. They've captured it amazingly. Now, I'm going to do this one again. I'm just going to give it a quick paint over it. And zhuzh it up. And then we're going to do it this way. And you've got the hatch going the opposite direction now. And do this bit. stunning. Now we're going to give these a top coat, Born Pretty glass top coat to bring them to life. If you do a matte coat on your cat eye, it ends up looking like a velvety look to the nail. But I think these deserve all the shine, sparkle and luster that they deserve. So, oh, they're just stunning. Just giving them all a good top coat. So there we have the first two. Look at those. Absolutely. I love that one. I just think it is an all-rounder. That one, I'm thinking like a steampunk background colour. This one, you've got like your goth vibes, yeah. Even Halloween. Like, there's so many opportunities to use those gels. And like I say, they are matching those bottles perfectly. I want to pop them like this, and then you can see each one. Now I haven't done a nail set with these as of yet. I'm going to be using them though over the next few weeks, trying to think of some new fresh ideas. But I just wanted to get them out, show you them. So then we have this one, which was 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Stunning. This one, you've got the reflective change in colour. Purples, greens and blues in that one. All round water nail, mermaid. Just, oh. And then this one, you've got your black background with your silver. Not the best magnetic thing I could have shown there, but you get the idea. But yes, stunning. Absolutely stunning as always. Looking forward to those being on my nail sets. And thank you, Emily, for sending those over. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Keep an eye out on my channel for when I use these products. Again, Born Pretty store, and I will just show you some of the available colours. So we have there, I have 121 and I have 123 shown on the screen there, also 125, and those are just amazing. We have 18 colours to choose from on there, pale ones, pastels, but they're just stunning, absolutely stunning. So do go over, check them out, check the website out. Like I say, they are on the Born Pretty store rather than bornpretty.com. But have a look, get yourself registered if it's possible, and go check those out. I'm hoping to build up the collection of these. I did previously receive the Pro Terra range, which weren't cat eye, which were these beauties. So a lot of these will pair nicely with the cat eye. They have more, they look like more browns and undertones, but they actually come out rather red. So we've got the collection in the gel colours and the cat eyes. So go and check them out. And please remember to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.